Hi, I'm Darrell, fresh Christmas buyer at English Gardens. Decorating for the holidays with fresh evergreens has been something people have done for centuries. Evergreen trees, boughs, wreaths, and garland symbolize life during the cold winter months, and English Gardens has a huge selection to fit whatever your decorating style. Boughs are sprigs and branches from various evergreen plants that you can use to add color, texture, and fragrance wherever you need to add some holiday cheer. From planters to tablescapes, the uses are limitless. We carry so many different types of greens: balsam fir, berry juniper, boxwood, green and variegated, cedar, Douglas fir, eucalyptus, Fraser fir, incense cedar, holly, green and variegated, huckleberry, noble fir, Norway pine, Port Orford cedar, princess pine, shore pine, and white pine. In addition, we have colorful deciduous branches like birch poles in a few different lengths, dogwood, red and yellow twig, winterberry holly with bright red berries, willow branches of red and green, curly or fantail, and pussy willow, and so many different types of pine cones. Be sure to spray your boughs with wilt stop if they are going to be in a sunny or windy spot to help it last the season. Apply wilt stop to your greens over the lawn or on a tarp so you don't leave residue on hard surfaces. Misting with water daily is another option, but it's harder to do the colder it is. For greens used inside, avoid high traffic areas. If they are constantly brushed against, there will be needles always shedding. I'm Darrell, hoping you and your family have a very Merry Christmas.